y'all know amoxicillin, right? That's just for like an infection. Oh, duh. Thank you, Nocturnia. Thank you, Mimi. Appreciate you. Yeah. Yeah, I only know that because of High School Musical. Okay, we're gonna go back over this side. Get in the slow rotating. I don't think like anywhere is safe. I can't turn it off. Antibiotics. And this is how you get a weird immunity. Don't just do antibiotics, you know? Right, see? No one's gonna be behind me. I'm the only one over here. Nothing lurking in the dark. Shut the fuck up. I literally I think I just hit it with my hand. I was like, stop. Okay. Now what? I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I got no privacy. Whoa. Yeah, it's the same. Avenge me! Oh, man. Yo, who's there? Yo, who's there? Who's in the dark? This is a locked door. You're not supposed to be down here. Don't make me call the cops. Hello? Yo, I don't know about this. Where are you? I heard you humming. That door's locked, and that door's also locked too. I think I'm gonna peek down the hallways and probably shit my pants soon. Have you ever heard the cry of a hungry man? Oh, so I'm gonna get my ass chewed. Different story. Okay. Whoa. I also am waiting for the giant rats jump scare. Like a Rathu jump scare. Also, everybody, just so you guys know, go follow Solus. He's absolutely amazing, and you guys have heard him in my streams a couple times. He's not always in the stream, so this is a rare occurrence. It's exciting. All right, well, let's just the cry of a hungry man. The fuck? You be playing with the doors. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, after your failure of a lunch. Oh my god, my heart broke for you. I feel like we're being led. Y'all feel like we're being led? I feel like we're being led.